Alrighty guys, so we're back here with another video, and like I said, this is going to be another review, and it's going to be on electric eel. They are these, and the mini magnum, which look like those right there, tube, and then we're just going to light off the ground bloom. So then my dad's going to be lighting them because I got a film. So, let's get into it. Yeah, just do those first. Those aren't bad for what they are. I'm going to get back a little bit. Yeah. We only have one more. Huh? We only have one more. Okay, well, that's fine. So then, that was electric eel. Yeah, just do ground bloom right now. Wait, no, move it a little further away from the canisters.
You gotta have it sitting, huh?
No. You can just throw it like that. Ground bloom, flower. That was the ground bloom flower. Now it's going to be the mini magnums. Should we just do one?
Yeah.
Okay. We're just going to do one because we want to save some for 4th of July.
We have a lot bigger ones than this.
Yeah. These are pretty good. I'm going to try and get it. Alrighty guys, so those were the mini magnums. Right here's the tube. So smoking some. This was the electric eel, the phantom. And I'll see you in the next video, which is probably gonna be the 4th of July, boys! Oh, by the way, the mini magnums are by Big Fireworks. So I'll see you in the next video.